Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard reset on your Samsung device. First, it's crucial to prepare your phone. Always back up all your important data, like photos and contacts, to a cloud service or an external drive. Next, ensure your device has at least 50% battery life to prevent interruptions. Finally, remove your Google account and any screen lock to avoid activation issues after the reset. These steps are vital for a successful and secure process. Now, let's get your device into recovery mode. Begin by completely powering off your Samsung phone. Once it's off, press and hold both the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo appear on your screen. As soon as the logo shows up, release both buttons. This action will bring you to the Android recovery menu, where the hard reset process truly begins. Once you're in the Android recovery menu, you'll use the volume buttons to navigate. Use the volume down button to scroll through the options until you highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset. To select this option, press the power button. You'll then be prompted to confirm your decision. Again, use the volume down button to highlight Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm. This action will erase all data from your device. After the data wipe is complete, you'll see the Android recovery menu again. This time, Reboot System Now will be automatically highlighted for you. Simply press the power button to select this option. Your Samsung device will then begin to restart. This first boot after a hard reset might take a few minutes longer than usual, so please be patient. Once it's finished, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings, ready for a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.